Yangan levatkan ini bukan sekadar event biasi, ini revolusi kara kamu bikin aplikasi. Don't get shocked. You're watching the right video and yes, this is real. Let's start. What if I told you you could build and launch a full app in minutes without hardcore coding? Sounds crazy, but it's real and it is happening right now. We are talking about the amazing program by Google that is 5 coding study jam, Jura GCP. So it is an extended version of Jira GCP. Here you'll be learning cool things, completing the challenges and getting these cool swags too completely free of cost. So what is it? How we have to participate? First of all, you have to brainstorm the idea using Google Gemini. After that, you have to build that particular app using Google AI Studio, and then you have to deploy the project via Cloud Run. So if you participated in any of the event like Prompt Wars, Genie Academy application, you must know how to deploy it. Do not worry in case you don't know. I'll show you a sample demo and completion. If you need any help, you can comment down below. I'll try to produce the video too. If I get the response, I'll make a video definitely. Now here the registration is open and it is a challenge by Indonesia country. Okay, but there is no limitation. If you're from different countries also you can participate. I have also participated in multiple events over there. So here what are the things? First of all, when you register you'll be getting free GCP credits. You'll be able to wipe code also. You'll be able to get the access to AI Studio, Cloud Run completely free of cost. So here there are multiple tiers. Okay, there are two tiers currently. One is the visionary cloud builder and second one is the elite architect. So here if you complete the first tier, you'll be getting the certificate, and if you complete the tier 2, you'll be getting awesome backpack, speaker, mouse point, and stickers too. Okay. So what you have to build over here, you have to build anything. They have mentioned the path, that the game, the fun maker. So here you can choose any local trivia game or any other interactive AI games, which you can build over here. It's completely free of cost. Other you can bring something related to productivity, education, marketing, business, hobby, daily life. So like this, these are the topics. Okay, you have to build any one project and then you have to just deploy on Cloud Run. Now here these are the cool swags. You have time for the registration. They'll just check. The judging criteria will be based on the problem statement. Okay, the target audience for whom you are making the app and what are the impacts it will have in future. Second one is the solution, like how the user experience will be better and how it will be valuable, and the uniqueness, because a lot of people just copy the same project. So how unique it is from different other project. Here you have to create everything from scratch using your brain. Do not use the basic template. Okay, now all the things they have shared some of the labs which will help you to understand. These are the code labs. If you need any other help you can comment down below. Now all you have to do is just submit over here, right? And there will be some cool kickoff sessions for people who don't know about this event. They can just participate and there will be some fun keys where people will be getting noise cancelling TWS earbuds. Okay, so how to register in this program? It's very simple. You have to just click on register, click on next. After that you have to enter all your personal details. Okay, your first name, last name. Let me just translate the page. So it will take some time and it will be translated. Mostly you have to enter your name, gender, and then whether you're a student or working professional, it simply means the same thing. After that, your job title, your college institute. Although it is not translated, but I am knowing this language, so I am able to understand everything. Website, a telephone number means mobile phone, and then your province means the state, city you can mention over here. Okay. So here you are saying something strange that India is not mentioned. So you need to understand they have clearly mentioned in this particular program participation is free of cost, but for getting the swags, okay, for getting the swags, you need to be from Indonesia, then only you'll get the swags because they have clearly mentioned. You can see everyone with app solution idea can join, but swags will be delivered only to the participants who are based on Indonesia, means living there. So why I'm making this video? Because a lot of my subscribers are from Indonesia also and they don't know about this opportunity. So I'm sharing this. Also, if you want to learn a lot of things, a lot of you are asking about GCP credits and it is not freely available. You have to activate autopay, etc. So here you'll be getting free access to GCP platform too. You'll be getting multiple things to learn. So this is the best opportunity to take the benefit from it. Okay, so always take the opportunity. Although it is completely free, of course some events charge some money also for visiting or for for completing these kind of challenges. So this is the best opportunity. It will help you to learn a lot. These swags you can earn once you get the job. It's very cheap thing. If you think that you'll be getting swags, then only you'll participate. For learning purpose, it is a very good event. Also, we have covered multiple challenges over here, so you can just check out on the channel and it will help you to learn a lot. And for getting the swags, we have the prompt words challenge. Yesterday only I posted a video regarding it. We have the global hackathon challenge by Replit also. You can just check out all the things. So thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.